Okay, so we can also find for the zeros of the polynomial equation using graphing calculator. Okay. For this, I am using Geogebra as my graphing calculator, but you can also use your calculator, especially if you're using ClassWiz, Casio ClassWiz, Casio 911ES, and Casio 350ES. Okay, but for 350, I think it's limited only. But for 911ES and ClassWiz, that's the best calculator that you could have. Okay, wag nyo lang wawalain. Namiss ko yung calculator ko. Okay, so for this one, I'm using Geogebra application or software to graph the equation or the polynomial function f of x is equal to x cubed minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24. So, balikan natin yung sagot natin kanina doon sa Vsmart. Ayun. Okay. So, sabi natin dito, meron siyang 3 zeros. Okay. If it has 3 zeros, therefore, we have to find for these factors or for these binomials para ma-solve yung ating equation. So, dun sa solving natin, we use synthetic division, which gives us the 3 rational zeros of the function, the polynomial, which is 4, 3, and negative 2. Now, to illustrate it further, we will be using graphic calculators to illustrate the graph, the behavior of the graph of that particular polynomial function. So, you can see, ito yung behavior ng graph natin for f of x is equal to x raised to 3 minus 5x squared minus 2x plus 24. So, ang dali lang. Input lang natin yung equation and then, ibibigay na ni Geogebra yung graph. We're looking for the points of y or the function wherein the value of y is 0. Okay. So, hinahanap natin yun. So, lahat ng points na nandito sa x mismo, sa x-axis mismo, yun yung rational zero or roots ng ating polynomial equation. So, ang sagot natin doon sa Vsmart kanina is positive 4, 3, and negative 2. So, tignan natin dito sa graph if that's correct. So, as you can see, we have negative 2. Nag-0 siya dito. Next, nag-0 din siya sa negative 3. Yan. Zoom natin. Okay. And, of course, nag-0 din siya dito sa may negative 4. Therefore, ito yung mga roots niya. We have 4, we have 3, and negative 2. If you want to furthermore explain your solution, you can do it here. So, let's try another example. Balik tayo dun sa equation natin. So, we want to solve for x raised to 5. Okay, palitin natin siya para makita natin. So, we have f of x is equal to x raised to 5. Press shift, arrow up, raised to 5 plus 3x. Code nyo lang siya. Meron din, available din yung application sa Play Store. Pwede nyo siyang i-download. Minus 17x. 17x raised to 3. Minus 5x raised to 2. Plus 16x. Okay? Sorry. So, ano yan? Minus 5x raised to 2 plus 16x plus 48. Edit natin. Edit. Lang di pa complete. Plus 48. Okay. Looking at the degree of this polynomial equation, we have 5 yung degree niya. Therefore, we are looking for 5 roots of the polynomial equation. So, let's try to find out. ano yung mga roots ng ating polynomial equation. So we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Meron pa ba? Oh, meron. Ayun. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you're going to solve it using synthetic division, as you can see, you have negative 5.72. Rounding it all up, we have 73. Negative 5.73, that is the root. Next, you have negative 1.06. Next, you have 0, the rational root also. You have 0.92. Next, you have 2.86. So, these are the root of the equation. Equation x raised to 5 plus 3x raised to 4 minus 7x raised to 3 minus 5x raised to 2 plus 6x plus 48. So, using graphing calculator, pwede nyo siyang kunin. Okay. Kapag ka doon naman sa graphing calculator ninyo, since the leading coefficient is 1 and the constant is 48, so your starting point is negative 48 and your end point is positive 4. To find for the zeros of the equation. Yan siya. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kadali. Let's try some more problems. Hinapin natin ito. We have f of x. Laging f of x kapag ka-Geogebra. Kahit di naman sa calculator, f of x pa rin siya. So, we have f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 3x cubed. Arrow down. Minus 3x cubed. Arrow down. Minus 11x squared. Plus 3x plus 10. Okay? Ito yung nag-arrow down. Plus 3x plus 10. Plus. So, graph natin to. Ayan na siya. Ayan natin. So, you have the rational roots or the roots which is negative 2, negative 1, positive 1, and positive 5. Do we have 4 roots? Yes. Since yung degree natin is 4, so meron tayong 4 na roots. So, kung i-equate natin to, negative 2 is equal to x plus 2. That is a factor of this polynomial function. Next, we also have x plus 1, factor of this polynomial. Next, we have x minus 1 and x minus 5. So, these are the factors of this polynomial function. Okay? So, bahala na kayo kung anong gusto nyong gamiting application for the solution. For your activities, you can use the long method or synthetic division. And you can also attach the graph to prove your solution. Okay? So, ito yung graph niya. Pakita ko lang. Tama, no? Ganyan. So, ito lang. Ganyan lang. Okay? So, that's it, guys.